Hello everyone, it's been a little while since my last Jasper video, so I wanted to show you what we were up to today. So I'm on vacation right now and rented a car to take Jasper to these woods. Living downtown means busy parks and lots of scary people. So I don't get him out too much, unfortunately, but he loves the balcony, like, you know, if you've seen his other videos. And today we thought we'd do a special birdie mommy trip here, and so far he's seen some chickadees and a chipmunk. Maybe we'll see some deer. He's pretty quiet, but he beak scraped a lot, so he's having a good time. Jasper spotted chickadee. It's gone now. There it is. Do you see all the little birdies? Oh, one came over to say hi. Apparently we attract birds. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we've spotted another deer. Yeah, definitely has an eye on him. Jasper, what do you think of the deer? That's two today that you've seen. I think he's getting tired. We've been out here for a while. He's not used to this.